Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to reduce the file size in Canva. Let's get started. Please note that reducing the file size in Canva is actually a Canva Pro feature. That means if you are using the free version of Canva, you will have to upgrade to Canva Pro in order to make use of this feature. Now, let's say you already have Canva Pro. In that case, you can easily reduce the file size of your images directly within Canva without any hassle. First of all, let us head over here to the Photos tab, and we are simply going to drag and drop this picture inside of our project. To download your project as a JPEG, click on Download, then select JPEG as the file type. To reduce the file size, simply adjust the quality setting accordingly. If you set the quality to 100%, you'll get the highest image quality, but also the largest file size. Lowering the quality will reduce the file size while slightly decreasing the image clarity. A quality setting of around 80 or slightly lower is generally good for most uses. For instance, if you're adding these images to a blog post as a featured image, an 80% quality setting or even a bit lower should work just fine. Since image quality is important, you also need to balance it with website performance. Larger images can slow down your site's loading speed, so reducing file size helps ensure your website loads quickly while maintaining decent image quality. A slow-loading website can negatively impact user experience and SEO ranking. Visitors may leave if a page takes too long to load, and search engines prioritize faster websites in search results. Optimizing file sizes helps improve both performance and engagement. Search engines like Google prioritize faster websites because they provide a better user experience. If your website takes too long to load, visitors may leave before it even finishes loading, increasing your bounce rate and negatively impacting your ranking. If you want to reduce the file size of the PNG, you can adjust the compression settings. In Canva Pro, you have the option to check the compress file box, which will make the image smaller while maintaining decent quality. If you need transparency in your PNG file, make sure to check the transparent background option before downloading. However, keep in mind that enabling transparency might slightly increase the file size. Once you click on Download, Canva will process the image with the selected settings, and your compressed file will be saved to your device with a reduced size. JPEG files are usually smaller in size and are great for photographs or images with lots of colors. PNG files, on the other hand, are larger but support transparency, making them ideal for logos or graphics with clear backgrounds. If your ultimate goal is to have your picture in a very small file size, then downloading your things in a JPEG format will be the better choice because JPEGs are usually much smaller than PNG files. However, if you are aiming to get the best quality out of these images, the best option is to download them as a PDF print. And that's it, guys. That's everything you need to know about reducing file size in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.